everyone, welcome to MT Chai channel. Today I will show you how to create an online survey using Google Form on your Android phone. So watch this video without skipping. Firstly, go to your Google Chrome and type google.com in the search field. Then tap on the 9 square grid Google Apps button. Click the Google Form icon here, but if you do not have this icon, check out my description box below. I've stated 2 more steps in it. The first thing you need to do is give a title for your form. After that, click the Untitled form here. Now it matches the title of your survey form. Then add a description. The thesis form consists of several sections. Each section will be on a different page. So tap this to add a section. Put a title for that section. Section A, demographic profile of the respondent. Next, type the question. After that, choose the category of response you are expecting for this question, whether you want it to be a short answer, long paragraph, check box, multiple choice, drop down, and so on. For this question, I'm selecting multiple choice. Option 1 is male. Option 2 is female. I'm going to make this a required question by clicking the slider button here. Another example is your variable question. Repeat the same steps for this as well. Tap on Add section, put a title for that section, add a description if you want, select a response category and decide whether you want this question to be a required question or not. The final thing I want you to do is to make your survey form look attractive. Click the palette icon, which is known as Customize Theme. From here, you can insert or upload an image into your survey form, change the theme color, background color, and font style of this form. Then click Setting. Go to the presentation and type your desired confirmation message here. Once all done, click Save. Tap on Send icon. Enter the email ID here. Send the survey form via email to others. Click the Send icon again. You can also share this form through the link. For that, click the link icon, get a short URL for your survey form. Click Copy, and now you can share the link with others. Okay, let's fill out this form now. Click on the responses. This is how the summary of your responses will look. Click the green button here. Select your email ID. You can use this data to enter into the SPSS software or in other software too. I hope this video is helpful to you, and do watch my YouTube videos shown here. Thank you for your love and support, and thanks for watching.